Well, that's nuts. Right into a big issue here. My gilded brass pipes. They're not mounted yet. They hit the tires. And they changed the axles around. The axle went back a little bit because the leaf spring. You change it around. I should have changed it around like this, and I did. It's got it like this. If I would have put it in like this, I would have corrected it or brought the axle a little bit. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. I might just glue it the way it is right there. It's about as close as I can get to making it as close as the engine as I can get it. I got the wires and everything on. Those pipes are something else, I tell you. This doesn't look the same without them. Yeah, looks cool, but this doesn't look the same without them. After putting them on, you're like, oh yeah. Yep. Something about it. All right. I found some things here for my wheels finally. I didn't have the right part and I lost a piece, and found some backings that I used to cut the backs or the insides of these plastic tires. I put them as a backing inside of here. That's that champagne mist, which is the same color as the frame, which I have in the back of the wheel inside there too. It'll be matching. And I stole this. It'll fit on here. It'll fit just right. That came out of that kit. Pilfered it. The Foos. I tried some with it a while along back, and I destroyed the body on it. Never did finish it. I don't know what to do with it. I was gonna make a freak out of it and make it all different colors. Don't know yet. So, yep. So I gotta paint those yet. Got the front wheels mounted. I got door panels to put on. And put some window cranks and handles and stuff on yet. But, oh yeah, Check this out. How that covers that. The hood covers it just right too. Just the wires. Oh yeah. That's all. The metallic red wires. Oh. Alright. Peace out. Popcorn you later.